Hello, and welcome to Fluent Flow, your one-stop shop for mastering English speaking and listening skills. Today, we're talking about New York City. So, let's start the video. New York City, often called NYC, is a vast and bustling metropolis located in the northeastern part of the United States. With its iconic skyline, diverse population, and vibrant culture, the city stands as a symbol of opportunity and ambition. At its core, New York City is made up of 5 boroughs: Manhattan, Brooklyn, Queens, the Bronx, and Staten Island. Each borough has its unique character and charm, contributing to the city's overall rich tapestry. One cannot talk about New York City without mentioning Manhattan, the island at the heart of it all. Known for its towering skyscrapers, Central Park, and iconic landmarks such as Times Square and the Empire State Building, Manhattan is the quintessential New York experience. Times Square, with its bright lights and Broadway theaters, is a symbol of the city's entertainment industry. It's a place where tourists and locals alike gather to experience the excitement of live performances and the energy of the city that never sleeps. Moving beyond Manhattan, Brooklyn offers a more laid-back atmosphere with its diverse neighborhoods, trendy cafes, and the famous Brooklyn Bridge. The borough has become a hub for artists, hipsters, and those seeking a more relaxed pace of life. Queens, known for its cultural diversity, is home to people from all corners of the globe. You can find authentic cuisine from various cultures, making it a food lover's paradise. The Queens Botanical Garden and Flushing Meadows Corona Park provide peaceful escapes within this bustling borough. The Bronx, the birthplace of hip-hop, is rich in history and culture. Yankee Stadium, home to the New York Yankees, is a sports fan's dream, and the Bronx Zoo is a must-visit for animal enthusiasts. Staten Island, accessible by ferry, offers a reprieve from the urban hustle. The Staten Island Ferry provides stunning views of the Statue of Liberty and the Manhattan skyline, making it a popular choice for both commuters and tourists. One of the defining features of New York City is its subway system, a network of trains that crisscross the city, connecting its various neighborhoods. The subway is the lifeblood of the city, allowing millions of people to traverse the urban landscape efficiently. New York City's people are as diverse as its neighborhoods. People from all walks of life call this city home, contributing to its cosmopolitan atmosphere. The Statue of Liberty, a symbol of freedom and diversity, stands proudly in New York Harbor, welcoming newcomers and reminding everyone of the city's immigrant roots. The city's cultural institutions are world-renowned. The Metropolitan Museum of Art, the Museum of Modern Art, MoMA, and the American Museum of Natural History are just a few examples of the city's commitment to preserving and showcasing human achievement. Broadway, located in the heart of Manhattan, is synonymous with the world's best theater productions. The dazzling lights of Broadway attract theater enthusiasts from around the globe, making it an integral part of New York City's cultural identity. New York City's Central Park provides a green oasis amidst the concrete jungle. With its winding paths, scenic lakes, and open fields, the park offers a retreat from the city's hustle. Locals and tourists alike come to Central Park for picnics, bike rides, and leisurely strolls. The city's culinary scene is as diverse as its population. From street vendors selling hot dogs and pretzels to Michelin-starred restaurants offering haute cuisine, New York City caters to every palate. Bagels, pizza, and deli sandwiches are iconic New York staples that have become synonymous with the city's gastronomic identity. New York City's economy is a powerhouse, with Wall Street serving as the epicenter of global finance. The New York Stock Exchange is an iconic institution, influencing markets worldwide. The city's skyscrapers, including the One World Trade Center, stand as testaments to its economic prowess. In terms of education, New York City boasts prestigious institutions like Columbia University, New York University, NYU, and the City College of New York. The city's public school system, one of the largest in the country, serves a diverse student population. Sports are an integral part of New York City's identity. The city hosts iconic sports teams such as the New York Yankees, baseball, New York Knicks, basketball, New York Giants, football, and New York Rangers, hockey. Sports events bring communities together, fostering a sense of unity and pride. Despite its undeniable allure, New York City faces challenges. Issues like housing affordability, traffic congestion, and environmental concerns pose ongoing dilemmas for policymakers. However, the city's resilience and determination have enabled it to overcome numerous obstacles throughout its storied history. In conclusion, New York City is a city like no other. Its towering skyscrapers, diverse neighborhoods, cultural institutions, and vibrant energy make it a global icon. From the iconic landmarks of Manhattan to the diverse communities of the outer boroughs, New York City continues to captivate the world's imagination. It is a city that embodies the spirit of opportunity, diversity, and the relentless pursuit of the American dream. Alright Fluent Flow fam, that's all for today. But your journey doesn't end here. Head over to the comments below and share your biggest takeaways. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more language boosting goodness, and hit the notification bell to stay in the loop. Until next time, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep flowing.